How do you create a webshop in 2023? Thanks to modern technology, starting an online store has never been easier. Shipping companies make it possible to get products anywhere in the world in a flash. Web hosting platforms educate even the untrained in how to build the website of their dreams. Follow the steps below to learn how to start an online store yourself. Step 1. Choose your concept, product. Before you start building your e-commerce business, you need to have something to sell. It's essential to approach your online store with a unique selling position. Before spending any money on your online business, make sure that you've researched and tested your concept. Don't hesitate to bounce the idea off a few friends or others who will give honest feedback. Step 2. Create a business plan. As you're working through the details of your store, you'll need to make a business model that encompasses the costs that will appear along the way. A sound business strategy goes a long way toward lessening bumps down the road. Register your business. Depending on the state or country you're setting up in, check to see if there are any business or sales tax licenses. Each region can have very different regulations when it comes to e-commerce stores and how you store inventory. Should you bring a never-before-seen product to the internet, you'll want to see if there's anything patentable. Don't let your great idea get ripped off because you didn't take the time to protect it. Whether you're starting out solo or with a friend, you'll need to define your business structure. Partnerships are set up for two individuals starting a business together. Within a partner agreement, you'll define each of your roles and responsibilities. If this process seems daunting, consider bringing in a business lawyer to help with the fine print. Count the costs. Your product is going to come from somewhere. Even if you make it with your own two hands, there will be costs associated with the materials you'll need for a finished item. After you've chosen a shipping method, there may be fees for a dropshipper or even to send directly if you don't pass along those costs to the consumer. There will be recurring fees to keep your domain name and hosting platform up and running. These costs depend on the plans you choose for a site builder or web host you use to create your website. Quarterly, you're going to have to pay sales tax and income tax on what's coming in and going out. Some tools can help you understand these expenses and keep you advised on what you'll have to pay when the time comes. You might be a one-person operation as you bring your own business online, but that may not always be the case. Should you hire additional help, you'll need to budget for that as well. Step 3. Come up with a name. Once you've worked out the details of what your online store is going to sell, you need to build the actual e-commerce website. To do so, you'll need to create a business name that will represent you online. Make sure it's something catchy and unique that will stick in a consumer's head so they can remember it the next time they're in the market for your product. With a business name established, your e-commerce site will also need a domain name. This domain name is the unique access point to your own site and must be different from all other websites out there. Since domain names have to be unique, your first choice may not be available. Keep it simple, ideally to 3 words or less. Step 4. Choose your online platform. With a domain name in tow, you'll need to make use of a web hosting service to turn your domain into a new online store. Some of the best e-commerce platforms include a domain name with your plan, but you might prefer the do-it-yourself route. Most website builders offer free trials, so you can try them before you buy. Each platform comes with different tiers of service, so study the features of each to determine which works best with your online store. Be sure to pick something that can grow with your small business. Shopify is a well-known e-commerce platform that doubles as an online store builder. Once you've created an account, you can choose from pre-constructed templates or build your own. Since you're one of many online stores on Shopify, take the time to make yours stand out as much as possible. WordPress plus WooCommerce. WordPress, with the WooCommerce extension, is another website builder to consider. While the platform itself doesn't cater solely to online shopping, WooCommerce adds all the tools you'll need to create content for your online store. Wix similarly has an e-commerce builder that online businesses can use to sculpt the site of their dreams. Although Wix is another hosting service that covers a range of niches, it has robust sales features for selling online. Choosing the DIY method? Bluehost offers some of the lowest prices for web hosting starting at $4.95 per month. Step 5. Build your site. Your website speaks loudly to potential customers, and a successful online store will make it as appealing as possible. Give yourself a unique identity to share who you and your products are while increasing the customer experience. First impressions are crucial and help develop a sense of brand loyalty. Don't immediately shy away from paid templates or taking the time to build or program the site yourself. Any personal touches will go a long way toward that unique appeal you need to succeed. When building your site, determine your target audience and work around that niche. This target market should be an area you're familiar with that you can inject your own personality into. Step 6. Set up payment methods. Now that your online business is fleshed out with the items you're going to sell, you'll need to choose how you'll be accepting payments. While often overlooked, set the currency to use for each purchase. Your e-commerce business may reach international shores, and you don't want any confusion about pricing. The online store builders referenced earlier provide ways for customers to pay you. For credit card payments, you'll want to link up your site to a secure payment gateway. These payment gateways add the security necessary to process card charges online. Step 7. Think about how to ship products. If your e-commerce store is selling a physical item, you'll want to work out shipping details for getting the product into your customer's hands. There are 2 routes to pick from here. Drop shipping. You can hire a drop shipping company to handle all your shipping for you. These businesses will take a portion off the top of each sale but will deliver your product for you. Alternatively, you can choose products from a marketplace, such as AliExpress, to sell in your online store and never have to store inventory. Ship it yourself. Should you wish to handle your deliveries yourself, you'll need to be able to handle any and all demands. You'll also have to set shipping costs and work with your preferred shipping provider to ensure items arrive at the right location and on time. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.